Wat gaan de bubbeltjes in jouw frisdrank exploderen in mijn maag?
I can see my house.
Got milk?
Did you eat all 4 boxes of lasagna?
It's not my fault. They started it. And that's a sign that the tank is full.
Mind? It's too late. She's already off to...
Bus driver, pull it over. I got a pie belch coming that might break your windows.
I don't believe it. I'm actually full.
My stick didn't tickle you, did it?
No, it's making me burp.